Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Dropbox subscription. Let's get started. If you are subscribed to the Dropbox Plus plan, I'll show you in this video how to cancel it. First of all, you need to go to the Dropbox website and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll need to click on the icon on the top right corner, where it has your picture or your initials for your account name. Click on it, and in the menu here, you choose Settings. And here, as you can see, I'm on the basic plan, which is the free plan. If you are subscribed to Dropbox Plus, you should find a tab here that says Plan. I don't have it because I'm on the free plan, but if you click on the Plan tab, you should find the option to cancel your subscription. However, if you want to permanently delete your Dropbox account itself, in the same settings page here, scroll down, and you will find the option to delete your Dropbox account here. But be aware that if you delete it, it's gone forever and you cannot recover your files. That's all for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.